old do you feel inside? Do you feel like you're 16 or do you feel like you're 160? What if I told you you could design your age? You can. That's the title of my new book, Design Your Age, What's Best About You Never Ages. For over 30 years, I've worked in advertising, shaping the perceptions of brands and products. And when you really look at the way we see aging, you realize it's outdated and antiquated. I want you to come along with me and meet some amazing change makers in this book. People that are doing things in such a fresh way, that are perceiving aging in such an amazing way, that will incite this whole new idea, this whole new perception that you'll be able to absorb first, and then you'll be able to see how you'll play a new role in that landscape that's out there. You'll discover where you'll live, who will hire you after you're 60. You'll discover the other idea that it's not about living till you're 190. It's about creating better later years. Come along and explore how to design your age and discover what's best about you never ages.